In this review, we will be discussing in details about the best microwave oven available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best microwave oven, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Microwave Oven. Let's get started!
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Panasonic NN SN966S Microwave Oven. Automatic sensors adjust cooking times and power. Intelligent intuitive controls provide a high-end look. Turbo defrost thaws food quickly and evenly. Keep warm feature maintains food temperature. Modern convenience for versatile food preparation. Can defrost anything without cooking it. 14 preset modes make cooking simple. Operates quietly. Number 4. Panasonic NN SN686S Microwave Oven. 1200 watt high power microwave oven. 1.2 cubic foot capacity. Stainless steel surface. Inverter technology with turbo defrost. With 13.4-inch turntable, smart cooking settings, Genius sensor, 14 preset menu food items, delay start and child lock, keep warm feature. Number 3. Black + Decker EM720CB7 Digital Microwave Oven. Large LED digital display. Easy to read control panel. Child safety lock. Interior light. Removable 10-inch glass turnable. 30 seconds express cooking. Powerful for its size. Custom memory function. Pre-programmed buttons for popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen vegetable, beverage, and dinner plate. 700 watts with 10 power settings, clock, and kitchen timer. Number 2. Amazon Basics Microwave. Convenient Alexa voice controls, lots of automated options, costs about as much as a non-smart microwave. Simple compact design. Digital clock is always up to date. Automatic popcorn reordering. Simple compact build. Automated popcorn replenishment. Takes the guesswork out of cooking certain items. Smell fits under counters. Seamless integration between microwave and speaker. Automatic popcorn replenishment via Amazon Dash. Number 1. Toshiba EM131A5C BS Microwave Oven. Large digital display. Easy to read control panel. Glass turntable. 1100 watts with 10 power settings. Easy to clean cavity. Energy saving eco mode. Quick start buttons. Offers substantial power and multiple settings. Easy to clean interior and exterior.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.